Are you addicted to your cellular device? Do you feel like you're wasting your life away on your phone?
Kinda.
Do you miss feeling genuine joy in everyday life?
Actually, yeah.
Introducing the Dopamine Menu, a simple yet life-changing guide to getting your life together, one bite at a time. Dopamine Menu, get a taste of joy today.
Hi, I'm Jen, and I, like you, am addicted to my phone. My attention span is way lower, I just feel lazier, I find less joy in like things I used to find joy in, and it's all because of that damn phone. Turns out mom was right the whole time. But it's not actually our fault a lot of the times. Let me explain. There's so many ways that these apps are designed to psychologically condition you to want to be on these apps, and they want to make it feel like it's our fault. You know how on TikTok there's that little video that's like, stop scrolling, and it makes you feel like it's your fault. But no, the app literally, the algorithm is designed to make you addicted. So we have to actively fight against that to try to reconnect with the world, to be healthier, more balanced humans. All these social media apps and games and whatever you're doing on your phone have these bright colors flashing at your eyes, triggering your brain's dopamine response every single second that you're on your phone. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter and hormone that acts as a chemical messenger in the brain, playing a key role in the body's reward system, motivation. Your body naturally creates dopamine when you do difficult things or things that you need to do to survive. Like when you are hungry and you eat a meal, you get dopamine afterwards. When you complete a hard task, you get dopamine because it's your body's way of rewarding you for doing the hard task. However, we are constantly getting so much dopamine artificially from going on our phones. And so if your brain is depleting all of its dopamine sources while you're on your phone, when you're not on your phone anymore, it's gone. But luckily, I have a solution for you. The Dopamine Menu. We are going to reset our brains together. This will help retrain your brain to build healthier habits and overall just help you become a more balanced and healthier person. I first heard about the Dopamine Menu through the YouTube channel How to ADHD because guys, this year I found out I have ADHD. And so much of my life makes so much sense now. That's a whole different topic. But I realized that a lot of the tips that help people with ADHD are also super applicable to people who don't. But what is a dopamine menu? It's basically a menu of activities that you can do instead of going on your phone and will help retrain your brain to take an off-road or detour instead of automatically reaching for your phone. So like any good menu, we've got appetizers, entrees, sides, desserts, and specials. So let's get cooking. For a quick boost in dopamine, let's start with starters. Sometimes big tasks can seem so daunting because you have to jump from being on your phone laying in bed to full-on productive mode. Well, appetizers are bite-sized activities that can ease your brain back into the real world. These are tasks that take 5 to 10 minutes that are productive but pretty easy to do, and they'll give you the momentum and motivation to keep going.
Some examples are cleaning part of your room, just one area. You don't want to overwhelm yourself. Do a couple dishes. Dance to a fun song, preferably a Pitbull or Gen Z song.
So we back in the club. Yeah, right, picture that with a Kodak. Pitbull, Nio, Neo, tonight.
Water the plants. Do a stretch. Make a cute little drink. Or a short walk around the block. Keep these simple. We just want to give our brains a little bit of natural dopamine to get started.
Hungry for more? Dig into some of our entrees for a bigger, more exciting, but a little more time-consuming dopamine boost. These are hobbies and activities that can help you relax and unwind without having to reach for your phone.
You can go for a walk or go to the park. Go to a workout class. Take an everything shower. Do something creative, like paint your own portrait. Crochet, play piano, write music, hang out with or call friends. Catch the sunset, or deep clean and declutter a certain space in your house. These activities should help you relax and unwind, so have fun with this and keep the phone use to a minimum.
Next up are sides. These are tasks you can do simultaneously to make boring tasks more stimulating, like
body doubling, either virtually or in real life. This just helps with accountability and like someone is struggling alongside with you. Have a little sweet treat or cute drink.
Ooh, It just tastes like milk.
Or play some Parisian cafe music. Or listen to a podcast or audio show. Maybe try turning on some mood lighting or lighting some candles, putting on your favorite comfort show, or squeeze some slime.
Now, we always have to save room for dessert. Just like actual desserts, these are indulgences that are totally appropriate in moderation, but consuming them 24/7 might be bad for your health. It can help to set a timer for these indulgences so you can munch on these desserts in appropriate moderation.
This is the time to let yourself play a phone game, scroll social media, or online shop. Maybe treat yourself to a cute dessert. Everyone deserves a little sweet treat once in a while, so go ahead, enjoy it.
And for a limited time, we have specials. These are activities that are more infrequent, may take more planning, or more expensive, but just as much fun.
Maybe it's taking a day trip, watching a play or show, attending a fun concert, or attending a special event in your city. Sometimes these are the things that make all the hard work worth it. Looking forward to these specials keeps you going, and when it finally pays off, it feels so good. The ingredients of the whole menu may seem so simple, but that's the point. Big changes come from little improvements every day. Soon, the big habits will seem like a piece of cake.
And that's everything on the Dopamine menu today. Make sure to make your own. It's super easy. Make it with love and serve it with joy. It can help us. It can help to set a timer for these. It can help to set a timer for these. It can help to set a timer. Hey, is it giving? It can help to set a timer for these. But it can help to set. Sirens, because they know how fire this look is. It can help to set. It can help to set. It can help to set a timer for these. And it can help to set a timer for these. And what the? Okay. It can help to set a timer for these. It can help to fuck. I can't believe we did it. We fucking did it, guys. And serve it with joy.
You're not working hard? Yeah, right, but you got the cool guy. Okay, go to Times Square and take a picture of me with a cool guy. Send me life for me, get 2 pounds, 5 to know that. Next night, this is your life. People, not tonight, tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it. Forget what they say. Oh, my goodness.